Okay, let us start. H plus ion constant. Hello, Vineet, can you hear me? Vineet? Okay. Do the same procedure. You want to make some boxes and then we can sum up the entire equation here. After that, we can start solving problem. Okay? Strong acid. Then, students, what about the H value? Everything we want to find out here. KH. Tell me KH. KH is equal to divided by K. KW divided by K. Okay. That equation you want to memorize. H plus ion concentration want to memorize. Then H value. Tell me H. This one beta is a strong base. Okay. Tell me root of. Sorry. KH by C. Okay. So KH you know KW root of K. H is equal to KW divided by Ka into C. This also you can memorize. Here H plus means CH. You know C into H. Then pH you know that. This much enough. Keep it in your mind. These things. Second one means strong acid, weak base, right? It's correct. Array, this one strong acid, weak base. Is it correct? This one? So weak acid, strong base, correct? Sure? Okay, then tell me this one. Then H plus. K is equal to K W KB. Then H equal to KH by C. Okay. Then we can substitute KW divided by C. last one. Weak acid, weak base. Okay. Last one, you can by heart. H plus. Derivation will take time. Root of Kw, Ka, okay, Kw, Ka divided by Kb. Study this, okay? Kw, Ka. Just you can do na student. This is Kb na. Kb. Just multiply. Okay. So Kw, Ka should be there in upside. Cc get cancelled. We can say like that. Just a trick. If you know these two things, you can apply weak acid, weak base. Weak acid, weak base. So this is the equation for H plus ion. Okay. Then KH, KW, KH is equal to KW divided by Ka into Kb. Okay. H is equal to root KH, which is equal to KH means this one, root KW divided by Ka into Kb. Yes, no doubt. It will helpful for you solving. Just sum up the entire equation. Vinil, okay na? Shreya, Sejal, okay. You can memorize, okay. KH for weak acid is easy, na? Look na student. Here K, it is Kw ionic product of water divided by Ka, acid. So weak acid, na? Here base, so weak base, na? So which one you are divided by Ka, Kb depending upon weak side only. This is strong side is not possible because salt hydrolysis is not suitable for strong side. Always we can concentrate on weak side. So we can conclude Kw upon Ka, weak side. Here Kw upon Kb, weak base. Here those side because we can't cancel. Both are weak, na? So we want to consider Ka, Kb both. This is the clue. Are you getting my point? So here Kw by Ka, why? Because weak acid. Here Kw divided by Kb because weak base. Here both are weaker. So Kw divided by Ka into Kb. This is a general clue. So if you get VKH, you will get the KH respectively. Here, same, this much only you can keep in your mind. This one man trying to multiply, suppose. So CC will get cancelled, na? So remaining KW common in, but take one, at least one, KW, then KA upside divided by KB. This is my point of view, a small clue. One thing you want to, this one you can study, then entire you will get automatically. This side also. So after that you can find out this one. No need to by heart. Just connect. KW KA divided by C. KW KA divided by C. This much clear. The weak acid. We need last formula. Weak acid weak base is given. That if you are able to you can possibly, is it possible to derive the formula, then you can derive. Otherwise not too much, it is not need now, okay, because we derived two ones, weak acid, strong base, strong acid, weak base. Same procedure you can follow, it becomes time consuming. We want this much formula for calculation. Okay, that's why I neglected the derivation of weak acid, weak base. You can do it home. Take it out as weak acid, HCOH, plus a weak base, ammonium hydroxide. Then exchange everything. You will get H plus ion concentration respectively to the pH. Okay, Vinith? Can I move to problem solving section? It is not visible properly. Which one is not visible properly? What happened? Weak acid, weak base, no? Last H is equal to root K H. Okay. After substituting the H value, KH value here, you will get KW, KA, KB, root of KH. Okay, Vinith, done. Next we can go through problem. Copy everybody? Copied or not? Tell me. Sejal, Shreya. Oh. Now problem. Problem. Previous year questions also there. Okay, first question. Okay. Find degree of hydrolysis. Okay, DOH. Array, write down the question, man. Why find degree of hydrolysis? Kb pH of a salt HCOOK at concentration 0.01 molar. If Ka for weak acid HCOOH for HCOH is 10 to the power minus 4. Answer. DOH. So what type of things are given to you, students? Weak acid. So what about the formula of DH? KH equal to weak acid under root KW K A into C. Do it. Substitute directly. Everything in it. Like KH, KW. Array S is equal to KH upon, is there any formula? Direct formula? KH upon C is there, Anna student. Then substitute. KH you don't have, but you know some concept. KH means ionic product of water. No, this is another relation. KH into KA is equal to KW. Okay, so KA is given now. KW you already know. Find out KH. Substitute. Find out H. KH equal to KW divided by KA. Tell me answer. Sorry? Tell me students, KH equal to Sejal. What about your answer? KH equal to? We need H you find out, na student. H you will find out from this equation, okay, after substitution. So KB you want to find out, DOH you already find out, pH at last, pH. Sejal, what about your answer? KH is equal to, tell me student. KH is equal to KW 10 to the power minus 14, no? Then 10 to the power minus 2, no? Okay, after that you will get 10 to the power minus 10 for KH. KH. Then H is equal, KH, H tell me? H. KH. Sorry. Minus. Then H tell me now. 10 to the power minus? Okay. H value I am asking. H. Well, substitute directly. H is equal to, how we can substitute? 10 to the power minus 10 upon concentration. 10 to the power minus 2. We will get 10 to the power minus 8. Then which is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. So H you find it out. Sejal, you go 10 to the power minus 12. Why? Upside 10 square. You may be miss your sign. 10 to the power minus 2. Answer is 10 to the power minus 10. Typing mistake. Okay. No problem. So whatever the pH, find out the pH. Yeah, for finding out pH, H plus, how they are telling Kw Ka divided by C. Yeah. H plus is equal to Kw Ka divided by C, root. Then tell me. Okay, H plus ion concentration is equal to? Very good. So H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 after substitution. Then pH equal to? pH equal to? 8. pH equal to? H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 8. So pH is equal to minus logarithm of H plus ion. So 8. 8 is the pH. This is the answer. 8 is the answer. Got it? Got it? Yeah. Okay. Weak. Where is that? Weak acid. Okay. Weak acid related solution is basic, no? We already mentioned. Weak acid. The given solution is basic in nature. Where we added? You added, no? Did you add it? During derivation time, I mentioned you, in the case of weak acid condition, the solution become basic or acidic? Solution become basic. Right? Drew, you missed this thing. So that we proved that the given solution is in basic in nature. That's why pH is equal to 8. Okay. We need, ma'am, I don't understand how to come Kw. Kw, where is the Kw? Array Kw ionic product of water. What he is telling? Kw how 10 to the power minus 14, he asking. We need, you want to revise. Okay, ionic product of water, Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of H minus. Okay, so this you know 10 to the power minus 14. So according to this view, we already created. This is your previous section. Ionic product of water become 10 to the power minus 14. Studied. No other option from my side. Meaning you are asking silly doubt. We already done everything. Again you are repeating, mom, why AW value is 10 to the power minus. It is not good, okay? Okay, next question. Ready? Yeah, this one is previous question. Wave 2009. Previous question. Very simple. But do it. Do it. The dissociation constant of substituted benzoic acid at 25 degrees Celsius is 10 to the power minus 4. Find pH of 0.01 molar solution of its sodium salt. Okay, options are also given to you. Option A is 8, B is 10, C is 11, D is 13. Try to find out. Direct equation substitution. The dissociation constant of substituted benzoic acid at 225 degrees Celsius is given 10 to the power minus 4. Find pH of 0.01 molar solution of its sodium salt. Tell me, student. Here given to you, benzoic acid is weak or strong. Then you will get the problem. Otherwise, still confused. So, weak acid formula uses H plus ion concentration equal to root Kw divided Kw Ka. Root of Kw Ka upon C. Find it. Tell me the answer. Tell me, Sejal, Shreya, Vineet, Sanjana, your answers. Your answer? Tell me, students. Answer is Sejal. Direct substitution. That's why no need to help from my side. Answer is, tell me, anybody? We need solve. Right. 8. Okay. 8 is the answer from Sejal. Solve we need quickly. Okay. You will get the answer as 8. Direct substitution. Cancel out. 16. 16 root of 10 to the power minus 16. After that root minus 8. So this is H plus. So pH becomes minus log of 10 to the power minus 8. We will get 8 of the. But this is the year of 2009. Now we are in the year of 2021. The level become, we can expect more, right? This is the basics only. Okay, next one, JEE 2004. 2004. Okay. Here, salt NaX is 0.1 molar. Okay. Weak acid is HX K equal to 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. degree of hydrolysis. Okay, you want to find out percentage of degree of salt hydrolysis. Percentage of degree of hydrolysis. Find out the degree of hydrolysis, then convert it into percentage. H is equal to what, student? Answer. Arey, I am confused with the question. Okay, you tell me. H equal to 10 to the power minus 7. Total percentage you are telling? KH find out KH. KW divided by K. 14. KW. KH is equal to KW upon K. So 10 to the power minus 14 upon 10 to the power minus K is given now. Minus 5. So answer becomes KH equal to, correct. KH is equal to 10 to the power minus 9. Correct. But I am asking H. I am asking H. H is equal to root KH divided by C, no? Find out through. No, I understood. Your mistake. What is? Symbol only, which is equal to root of 10 to the power minus 9 upon 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 8. So, this is equal to pH. Sorry. 4 na? 1 by 2 na? 4. So, pH is equal to 4. pH is equal to 4. pH is equal to 4. So, H is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. H is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 is your answer. Okay. This much correct. But how you will convert it into percentage? Into 100, na? So, 10 square. So, in your option, 10 to the power minus 2. Means 10 to the power minus 2 in your answer. But it is equal to 0.01%. Okay. Look now. While solving time, you will get 10 to the power minus 4. So, you want to convert it into percentage form. So, in your option, they will give you 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 percentage. In that time, you got this 10 to the power minus 2. So, logically, you want to convert into this form. Then only you will get. Otherwise, where is 10 raised to minus 2? It is not in the option. Don't think like that. Convert it into this form. Okay. Or you will get the 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 You can convert it into 0.0001 is not a correct answer. You want to multiply it with 100. Okay, then reconvert it into in this form. This is the final answer. So 0.01. Yeah, Sanjana, right. 0.01 is the right answer. Clear? One more question from JEE 2017. main NEET exam date published, no? NEET exam August. You are applying for NEET, no? Okay, you are not, but that two girls, right? Shreya and Shreya. Yeah, Sejal, 1st August.
Gauri ma'am.
Shreya, what happened?
No, आपने पूछा ना मैम श्रेया and Gauri this.
Yeah, your NEET exam date published.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Start your countdown. First August. Okay, around this is the month of March. Oh, lot of time, na? First August. Lucky. But your date? JEE next April, no? April? Not yet declared the date? Not yet declared? Shift based. No? Where was the location? Maybe commonly where it is located? The center of exam? Pune station? Oh, so nearby college. Okay. Hmm. 2017 question, okay. They are providing like this, okay. HTA is an acid. Acid plus base, DOH. These are combined together forming a ABS salt. Okay, ABS salt. Sure, na? H plus plus OH minus. Water decompose and remaining AB. Then here it is a weak acid, weak base, salt. Oh, they are providing this much information. Then pK value is given. pK value. Okay. That is 3.2. pKb is equal to 3.4. Then try to find out pH is equal to what? This is our question. Okay. How we will find out if we have H plus ion concentration? Do you know H plus ion concentration? Because weak acid, weak base. What about the formula? Apply it. Do it. Jaldi. Kw? Yeah, Kw, Ka divided by Kb. This is the weak acid, weak base, H plus ion concentration. Try to find out pH. Only pH. Array, we can rewrite. Ph is equal to formula minus log of Kw K upon Kb the whole raised to 1 by 2. You want to do the logarithmic conversion. Log 1 by 2 into log AB now. So A plus B, it will convert it. Similarly, A by B form. So A minus B form. So it will become upside with a negative sign. Do it. Minus sign. Who will find first? Students, apply. Oh, Sanjana, you got the answer previous year. Okay, but others do it. Vineet. Students, do you know? Log Ka means what? Minus log Ka is equal to pKa. Do you know? Don't know, no? Then you will check there. Minus log Kb is equal to pKb. Now apply. These are very, very important, okay? pK value means minus log of Ka. pKb means minus log Kb. Answer. The given one 7.1 he is telling. Is it logically correct? Given one is weak acid, weak base. It must be. It's wrong, answer wrong. After substituting, look now, pH is equal to minus sign we can keep it outside, okay. Minus log of Kw is there, right? Kw minus log Ka plus log Kb. This is the format. Okay. Then what do you want to do? Kw value. What about the K? Minus get cancelled, na student. No problem. Minus Kw is equal to 14 now. Value 14. Kw is equal to 14. So minus Kw cancel. Okay. So 14 minus log Ka minus log Pk value 3 point. Sorry, plus na 3.2 minus Kb value. Pkb is equal to 3.4. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 3.2 minus 3.4. Minus 0.2 na? 14 minus 0.2. So what about the result? 14 minus 0.2, which is equal to 6 point, around 6.9. Half upon half, right? This is the result. Correct, Sanjana. Sorry? So, weak acid weakness, the given solution is acidic in nature. Acidic. This is a proof. Oh my God. Again, we can solve problem. Five minutes break. Tired? Don't tell. If you tired, then not also don't tell. Tired. Because this is a tireless journey. We have a strong determination. We will achieve. Then there is no tiredness, right? Right, Dhruv? Oh my God. Another question. Okay. Question. These are bases are given. Find out the KB of 10 See, 10 normal. The normality represented like that. Okay, admission. Very silly question, simple question. Do it, Vineet. You want to find out KH, H plus and PH. Okay? First KH find out, H find out, H plus ion concentration find out. Finally, you will get the pH value. 4 things. Do it. What type? Weak acid or condition, strong, weak base condition. Weak base. Find out real cell, find out H+. KH equal to, simple ana. KH equal to what? Root of KW divided by, sorry, KH equal to KW divided by KB, base. Got it? Dhruv? Finished. Tell me students, KH. Value of KH first. Tell. Huh? KH value? Array, 10 to the power minus 14 upon 10 to the power minus 6. KW divided by half. Array, I given KB is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 is given. I guess. How? Okay, then tell me. Extra they have written over there. That's why given. H. Root KH divided by C is equal to KH is given root of 10 to the power minus 8 upon 10 to the concentration. Point, where is the concentration? 10 to the power minus 2. Value of H equal to minus 3. H plus minus 5. You are correct or wrong? You are correct or wrong, Dhruv? What happened? It's simple only way. Just substitution, direct substitution. 10 to the power minus 5. So pH is equal to 5. Yeah, correct. Finished. Where is your problem, Dhruv? Got it? You are in confusion, no? What happened? Didn't good? Find out the KB. Okay. Find out the KB. Root of KH divided by C. KH is 10 to the power minus 8. Concentration is divided by 10 to the power minus 2. Divided by C. H plus is CH na? CH na? H plus. After dissociation, the concentration is C. How much? 10 to the power minus 2. H you find it out. How much? 10 to the power minus 3. So, after that 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. Another question. Very tricky question, okay? They are telling that in the following, okay, in the question, in the following, which one has highest or maximum degree of hydrolysis? This is the question. Okay. Then they are given like this: 0.01 molar NH4Cl, 1. 2. 0.1 molar NH4Cl, 3. 0.0001 molar NH4Cl, fourth one same. Same means degree of hydrolysis and concentration. We are comparing now. Okay. Tell me. You are telling second option. Reason also you want to tell. Tell me. Students, tell me which option is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, which one is the correct answer related to the following? Which one has the highest or maximum degree of hydrolysis? Maximum degree of hydrolysis. So, degree of hydrolysis H, okay, anyway, is given. You want to compare it with concentration. How degree of dissociation, hydrolysis is connected to concentration. This much only your logic. You are telling second one. What about your answer? NH4? Do it, discuss it, discuss it. Tell me a conclusion. Array, you can utilize the equation. What of equation you have? Concentration related. Tell me H equal to, how you will find out H? Root of KW or KH divided by C, na? KW, correct, KW divided by KV into C, of course. Into C, na? Yeah, so correct, this is the one of the correct. Yeah, Sejal, you are right. Okay, so more will be the so this is third one. So third is the correct answer. Okay. So anyway, H is higher, highest H, lower will be the concentration. This is the logic. Another question. Okay. Next. Find out. Another question. Find out the concentration of H plus ion in 0.1 molar CH3CONS, sodium acetate, na? Sodium acetate solution. Okay, but K is given to you. K is equal to 10 to the power minus 5. What type of acid is given? Sorry, basalt is given to you. What type, students? Weak acid? Yeah. Okay. So CH3COOH, acetic acid plus NaOH type. Okay. So this is weak acid and strong base. Weak acid, strong base type. Then easily you can find out H2 plus ion concentration with the help of that formula. H plus ion is equal to, yeah, root Kw into Ka all divided by C. Substitute everything. Everything is given. 0.1 molar Kw. You know. Substitute. Got the answer? Tell me. Is equal to, correct na? Whatever your answer? 10 to the power minus 14 into K is given to you 10 to the power minus 5 divided by concentration 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. Then after that, what happens? 10 to the power minus 90, minus 1 is equal to root of 10 to the power minus 18. Okay? Which is equal to 10 raised to minus 18 or raised to 1 by 2. We will get 10 to the power minus 9 is our answer. Another question. Calculate the degree of hydrolysis of a mixture containing 0.1 normal, okay, 0.1 normal NH4OH and 0.1 normal HCl, hydrogen cyanide. So K is given to you 10 to the power minus 5 and Kv equal to 10 to the power, both are same. Okay. What type is this, student? Correct. How strong acid? HCN, hydrogen, HCN is? No, HCN. Okay, HCN. Weak acid is weak base type. So easily you can solve weak acid, weak base type, student. Solve it. Weak acid, weak base type. Weak acid, weak base type. Again to turn the page. So by heart is the formula, na? So, tomorrow, next week, I will ask the entire formula. Okay. H is equal to? No, formula root of Kw. Kw divided by Ka into Kb under root. What's the substitution? Root of 10 to the power minus 14 divided by Ka. Minus 5 into minus 5. Okay. Then we will get minus 4 now. 10 to the power minus 4 which is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 percent. Yeah, correct, Sejal. Maximum question we covered. Okay. What are the possible questions from this area? We covered maximum type. Next question. Which is the correct option for hydrolysis constant of NH4Cl? NH4Cl they are given to you and then telling you what about the correct hydrolysis constant. Can you tell? What about the NH4Cl hydrolysis constant? H is equal to? What is this? NH4Cl is weak acid weak base combination. Very good. Last question is same, na? HCN plus NH4OH. Okay. So that it is, you want to understand this is a weak acid weak base combination. So H is equal to root Kw divided by Kb. That also a possibility. Try to focus which one is given to you. Is the weak acid form, strong acid form, weak base form. Very interesting question. Very interesting question. Everybody please copy this question. Very important. You want to arrange, okay. Which one is the correct order of arrangement? Okay. So first one, increasing order of pH of 0.1 molar solution of the following salt. Salt is given. The salt given are NaCl is given to you, NH4Cl is given to you, then NaCl is given to you. Okay, what do you want to do? You want to arrange them in the increasing order of pH order. High pH, low pH, then okay, do it, you are on high, arrange them in the order, how? Which one is high, which one is low? High, look like this. Which one is high, which one is low? You are telling NH4Cl, after that NaCl. NaCl, then NaCN. This is Dhruv order. Order of Dhruv. Okay. What about your order? You have no order. You have no order. But you want, now you want to give me a order. It's compulsory. Can you give me your reason why you choose this order? Weak base and strong acid. Correct. So pH should be low. Then NaCl. Both are how it forms? Huh? Neutral. Then this is the reason. Correct reason. Correct reason. True, you are right. Okay. So once again I will tell you. In the case of NH4Cl, okay. So weak base, it is a salt of weak base and strong acid. Okay. So pH should be greater than less than 7. Then after that, so NaCl, na? So is a neutral form, strong acid, strong base form. So pH is equal to 7. Here pH is equal to 7. This is the reason. Here weak acid is strong base form. Strong acid is strong base form. This kind of application question you can expect. Okay. Another question, huh? Very good. Sejal, good. Another third question. If one equivalent of a strong acid, okay, one equivalent of a strong acid is added to one equivalent of a weak base. Okay, the resulting solution will be strong acid, weak base. Okay, the resulting solution will be pH how? pH, they are asking pH range. Okay, we already mentioned, na? Okay, this much only the entire portion, that particular portion, salt hydrolysis. Easy now. Almost all the level we checked, we tried, we practiced our previous year questions, possible questions, everything. Now, next week we want to go through buffer solution. Then what I told you, buffer solution, common ion effect related problems. Just go through common ion effect. I mentioned you what I had mentioned, statement only. So some questions are related to that. We want to solve that one. Then buffer solution. Then ionic constant of water, like that. Ionic product of water. 2-3 portions are pending. That we will do the next week. Okay. So 5 minutes remaining for the end up of this section. You can do your own revision or anything. You have any class? Physics class? Okay, students, this much only revision is very, very important. Okay, do it at home. Then next week, in the initial period, I will ask you lot of questions. Okay, practice it, do it, everything properly. Okay, Vinir, how was class? Fine. Is that okay for you? Today's class, Vinir. Any problem है ना? You become pending problem during class time. You are unable to solve on the same time. Leave some space. Relax. At home you can do. Okay, no problem. We need. Sanjana, how was? Fine, na? Okay. Next week we will come back with the buffer suit. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.